So the next part of this project is to remove this little microcontroller on here. I think it's a PIC 1, 2, PIC 12 or something similar. I've programmed these, I don't know, 10 or 15 years ago. So I have got a hot plate, but which would probably make this go a lot faster, but well, just to see how it goes. This is probably the trickiest job. I mean, you can do this with one way of doing this is with big blobs of solder and put solder on all the pins of the chip, and probably have put a bigger tip on this, but it goes. So that's the next task completed, the removal of that little microcontroller. I'll have a look here, see if we can see what it is, but I don't think there's any markings on it. Let's see. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that is a PIC 12, possibly. I think there's a PIC 10 actually as well. I've just discovered there's a PIC 10, but I think that's a different pin out, so I think it's a PIC 12, that possibly. But obviously, if anyone knows what that is, or what another option that might be, then be interested to find that out. So that's the next step of this project. And in the last video, I did mention that I was planning to knit some copper onto this board here, so that I could knit this bit of dev board or perf board, or whatever you call it here. But I found actually in practice that just good old double-sided tape is perfectly adequate to do that, and it's actually a very strong. I'll lift this up a little bit. This is actually a very strong bond between the two here. It's actually quite. It's you know, I think it'll be quite hard to take that apart. So that's the easy way to do that. And I think actually there was not actually that much material here by the time you've got all the grounds and trying to find places for little holes, I think. So at the moment, I would recommend just sticking the two pieces together. Obviously clean it with alcohol or something, and then just stick them together with some double-sided tape, and hey presto, the job is done. Anyway, so that's the next part of this this project. It was to take that little microcontroller off there. I'm not planning to use it for anything else. I mean, if I do use this for anything else, I'll probably program it to something else again. So I think I'll probably well, chuck it in a box, but probably never really use that again. So thanks for watching, and I shall get back when I've done a little bit more. Bye for now.